In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for agency. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable setup that keeps clients, tasks, and timelines organized in one place. First, head to ClickUp. You can use the web app or the desktop version. Either works the same for this workflow. Log into your workspace and take a second to look at the left sidebar. That's where you'll navigate between spaces, folders, lists, and views. Think of a space as a big container for your agency or a department. A folder is a container for an individual client, and a list as the actual checklist of work for that client. Next, open a new folder inside an existing space. If you don't have a suitable space yet, create a new one first. This keeps your agency's work clean and separate. Within that space, add a folder. This is where all work for a specific client will live, from planning to delivery. Name the folder after your client so it's easy to find. Inside that folder, add a list. Your list is where you'll create the actionable items. Start adding tasks that represent the client's work, campaign setup, deliverable production, approvals, and so on. Give each task a clear title and a short description so anyone on your team knows exactly what success looks like. Assign tasks to the right teammates and, if helpful, add watchers so stakeholders stay in the loop without owning the work. You can also attach files, drop in links, and use subtasks for multi-step deliverables. If your team uses priorities or custom fields like channel, stage, or budget, apply them now to make filtering and reporting easier later. Add a calendar to manage timing. In the folder or list, create a calendar view so you can see everything by week or month. Set due dates and, when relevant, start dates so timelines are accurate. Drag and drop tasks on the calendar to adjust schedules quickly as scope changes. If something repeats like monthly reporting, set it as a recurring task so it automatically reappears on your timeline. Color coding by status helps you spot what's on track, at risk, or overdue at a glance. Finally, add a mind map to plan with your team. Use it to outline goals, break big initiatives into smaller pieces, and visualize dependencies. You can sketch ideas first, then convert nodes into tasks or link nodes to existing tasks, so planning directly fuels execution. Keep branches concise, group related ideas together, and revisit the map during stand-ups to align priorities. That's it. With a space, a client, folder, a structured list of assigned tasks, a calendar for deadlines, and a mind map for planning, your agency will run smoother and deliver with clarity.